The 2017 Chevrolet Trax. With just over 15,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including an outside temperature display, rear wipers, and much more. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Chevrolet's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.